Because we got Karen, and Alan.
What's up?
This looks like a spoil project. I told
Okay, we got everybody. Is it both teams up here?
What's up?
Yeah. Everybody's
Okay.
up here.
All right, team one. You're going with me. We're going down here.
Do you remember who's team one?
Who's team one?
Team one. Did you guys decide?
Wait a second. Excuse me.
Right there, don't fall.
I'm not standing there, Riley, you stand there.
I'm sorry, I can't hear.
How about I turn the lights off? Karen, what's us the story?
Hey, check it out. So, listen up.
Turn the lights on.
Listen up, listen up, listen up. So,
Oh, take your light off.
hey guys, hold up. Remember,
lights on.
listen. Please listen. Please listen. So remember Ray was asking outside. So Alan is going to take some of you the more adventurous routes. For those of you that want to do teen adventure. And Rhea and I think Mike and he wants the adventure. We are going to do a route that's it's still an adventure, but it's a little less adventurous. Sound good? So team one will go with Alan, and team two will go with Rhea and I. So if you, if you would, oh, and by the way, sometimes you know you can tilt your lamp, right? Okay.
Chuck can't.
So,
It's upside down on the.
Oh no.
oh well, you can tilt
We'll
it
have to
up.
fix that.
So decide who is team one. Who thinks they want to be team one?